Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In the last video, we have changed the counter apps database from Firebase Firestore to real-time database. We have adapter and interface in the main activity class. In this video, we will move out adapter and interface from the main activity. In the package where main activity is there, we will create a new sub package. We will right click in the package, new package, package name models, drag and drop the class counter model in the models package, then refactor. So now our counter model class is inside models package. Again right click in the package where main activity is there, new package, package name activities. We will drag the main activity class to the package activities, then refactor. Our main activity class is inside the package activities. Now we want to move out update interface from the main activity class. So we will right click in the package, new package, package name interfaces. We will right click in the interface package, new Java class interface update adapter. Now we will copy update row method from update interface, that is in the main activity class, and will paste in the newly created interface update adapter. We could remove the previous update adapter interface from main activity. Android Studio will automatically import update adapter interface, or we could manually import. Now we need to move out counter adapter and view holder class from the main activity. We will create a new package. Right click in the parent package, new package, package name adapters. Right click in the adapters package, Java class, class name counter adapter. We will move counter adapter class from the main activity. We will copy the counter adapter class from the main activity from extends till the end of the class and paste it inside counter adapter class inside the adapter package, and we will remove the counter adapter class from the main activity. Now we also need to move the view holder class from the main activity to counter adapter class. We will cut and paste the view holder class. In the counter adapter, we will import view holder class. In the update in Firestore method, we will cut these lines from here, and we will go to the main activity update row method and will paste these lines. We need another parameter in update row method, boolean liked. In the update adapter interface update row method, we will add another parameter, boolean liked. We will go to the counter adapter class, and inside the update in Firestore method, here we will also pass liked, but we do not have a reference of update adapter interface inside the counter adapter class. We will go to the counter adapter class constructor and add another two parameters, shared preference and update adapter. In the counter adapter on top, we will declare update adapter and shared preferences. In the counter adapter constructor, this.shared preferences assign shared preference, and this.update interface assign update interface. Now update interface reference is available in the update in Firestore method. Also the shared preference reference inside the bind method. Now we could see inside activities package we have main activity. Inside the adapter package we have counter adapter. Inside model class counter model, and inside interface package we have update adapter interface. We will go to the main activity class and inside the add-on complete listener. In the counter adapter constructor, need to pass the shared preference and update interface in second and third parameter respectively. We could run our app now. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.